Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable status sharing to Facebook from WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. WhatsApp is used by billions of users around the world. The app has received multiple features over time to help users better engage with their friends through chats and status updates. The WhatsApp status feature has become very popular, allowing users to post short videos, voice note, images, and more. Additionally, users can also share their WhatsApp status on Facebook story. On my previous video, I've shown you how to share your WhatsApp status automatically to your Facebook story. And what if you want to disable this feature? You want to disconnect your Facebook account from your WhatsApp. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can tap on the updates on here. Tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on status privacy. You can tap on your Facebook account here. There is an option disable status sharing to Facebook. You can just tap on that. When you disable, you won't be able to share your status to Facebook stories again. But you can change these settings anytime if you want. Maybe you want to you want to link your Facebook account to your WhatsApp to share your WhatsApp status automatically to Facebook. Again, you can change that settings anytime. Now you can just tap on disable. So your Facebook account has been removed from your WhatsApp sharing status. It's so simple, right? So that is how to disable status sharing WhatsApp to Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.